Hello everyone, I am Tanay Unadkat. I am first semester master student at SAP University, pursuing construction engineering and management. My student code is PCM25350. The Studio 1 construction project formulation and appraisal focuses on feasibility study of various projects. Today I will be talking about my project, that is construction of flyover at 4 Arm Junction. As part of this exercise, this project was initiated under Municipal Corporation and is designed to ease heavy traffic movement at 4 Arm Junction. It aims constructing flyover bridge which separates local and through traffic, reducing congestion and delays at junction. With the project brief, the project is greenfield project. It is about 652 meters long and has 4 lanes. The objective of the project is to reduce traffic congestion and enhance connectivity to main highway. The scope of work of the project includes construction of approach roads, construction of flyover bridge, utility shifting, environmental controls, and infrastructure development, which includes service road, footpath, and underspace development for proper parking spaces. Now for the work breakdown structure. The work breakdown structure is an planning framework that breaks a project into smaller deliverables to assign responsibility and track progress. The WBS is structured by stakeholder ensuring clear scope ownership beyond just activity. The stakeholder groups are the client, design consultant, PMC, and the contractor, which you can see here. The each stakeholder scope is further divided into detailed work packages extending up to fifth level for precise accountability. The WBS for client includes feasibility assessment, RFP procurement, bid evaluation, authority approvals, contract finalization, legal and statutory clearances, and project budgeting and appraisal. The WBS for design consultants gives scope of design consultant. All technical deliverables including site field surveys, traffic demand and need assessment, flyover geometric and structural design, sub-consultant coordination, cost estimation and project tender document preparation, GFC drawings and design authority approvals. In this you can see detailed work breakdown structure of PMC. Uh, the key responsibilities of PMC are overall project management and coordination, monitoring time, cost, quality, assurance and quality control supervision, safety monitoring, checking and reporting progress, coordinating between client, designer and contractor, supporting with approvals documentation. In simple terms, the PMC is not constructing the flower, but it is managing and supervising the entire process to make sure the project is completed on time within budget as per specifications. We derived scope of work for contractor. It has four main packages: procurement, pre-construction, construction and finishing. In procurement, it covers labors, materials, equipment, machineries, and BIM consultant. Then, in pre-construction, includes approvals, insurance, site setups, utility and tree removal, and traffic planning. In construction, construction of superstructure, substructure, approach roads, and infrastructure development. And in finishing, lighting, painting, and handover. These are the scope of work for contract. Financial analysis. Financial analysis evaluates project viability by estimating cost, funding, revenue savings, and benefit cost performance to support investment decision making. In this, we can see the financial analysis for flyover. First, we are seeing project assumptions. We have taken 50-year life cycle, then parking charges for two-wheelers, parking charges for cars, and advertisement income of hoardings with an inflation rate of 5% annually. The project is fully funded by state government with an estimated inflow of 77.33 crore. The revenue model includes income from parking, holding, and travel time, vehicle operating cost savings. It is, it is increasing gradually, as you can see in the graph. Now we have calculated cost benefit ratio for our project, in which uh, we have taken VOC savings. It is after construction period, it is 1.47 CR for 2077 to 28 and reaching up to 43.4 CR by 2042. However, the benefit cost ratio is 0.46, indicating the project is not financially viable, but it is economical. Now for we have calculated NPV, FIRR, financial internal rate of return, and economical internal rate of return. Our financial internal rate of return is minus 14%, which is not possible. We have taken it 0. Then we have calculated economical internal rate of return. As this is an government project, so we have calculated economical rate of return. The economical rate of return is is 23%, as you can see here. This is significantly higher than the commonly used benchmark value of 12% for public infrastructure projects. The conclusion: the project generates sustainable economic benefits compared to its cost. It is economically feasible, meaning it gives good value in terms of benefit to roads user and the city. Now for bid process management. The project uses an item rate contract. Payment are based on measured work quantities for transparency. Procurement is handled by client. Client will hire design consultant, PMC and contractor. Design and PMC are shortlisted with EOI empanelment using QCBS with 70% technical and 30% financial weightage. Contractor selection follows upon tendering, evaluating with lowest bidder criteria, ensuring technical compliance with lowest evaluated cost. A bidder is awarded only when both technical and financial criteria are met, ensuring accountability and feasibility based decision making. Now, PMC evaluation process is based on experience and qualification of bidder as scored on similar project. Experience, understanding of project requirement, presentation skills and company background with a total of 100 marks, which you can see in this table. The payment plan is linked to the project progress. The PMC get paid in stepwise when 20% of work is completed, when 40% of work is completed, and when 60% of work is completed, when 80% of work is completed, and after and 100% of work is completed. The 10% of payment is kept until the defect liability period is successfully finished. This makes sure that PMC performs well and stays accountable. The PMC also has to submit on-time starting with the inception report about 6 weeks after the project begins, then regular progresses and interim reports, and finally a final report when the project is completed. Overall, this strategy makes sure that PMC is selected fairly, paid based on performance, and monitored properly. Procurement strategy for the contractor. The process starts with selecting tender and contract type, followed by deciding the bidding system, releasing the NIT, and awarding the project to the best qualified bidder. The contractor evaluation is split into technical and financial criteria. Technical scoring includes annual turnover, net worth of the firms, experience in bridge and flyover project, team qualification and bid capacity, plant and machinery's availability, all together making a total of 100 marks. To ensure timely delivery, liquidated damages are linked to milestones. 10% work in 8 months, 40% of work after milestone 1 in 6 months, 80% of work in 75% of project time, and 100% completed by approved schedule. The quality checks and testing must be done by certified and approved labs, including material, field, and government approved testing facilities. Now coming to conclusion. What we have learned from all three assignments. From work breakdown structure, we define roles of client, design consultant, PMC, contractor, and phases like feasibility, procurement, design, construction, and handover, which are key tasks involved in our projects like approvals, utility shifting, beam coordination, traffic management, and material testing, QAQC, schedule and cost, control, safety, O&M, early stakeholder engagement, contingency and sustainability reduce risk and ensure timely complaint delivery and budget transparency. Financial feasibility. In financial analysis, we taught that how project cost, O&M expenses, parking and holding revenue and VOC saving shape long-term viability. We learned that despite high initial investment, revenue grows slowly, NPVs stay positive, and scenario analysis is vital. It showed how even public flyover need careful, realistic financial planning. For build process management, this assignment help us to understand how municipal corporation structure contract, selects consultant and contract through QCBS and item-led bidding and manages risk, quality and timelines for the construction of flyover at four-arm junction. Studying eligibility norms, bid evaluation, payment, schedules, and procurement rules showed how transparent tendering ensures accountability, competitiveness, and smooth project delivery.